Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to ASTROCHANDRIKA YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen and tried to understand the dynamics of blank horoscopes. How to delineate a blank horoscope without any planets. I have tried to discuss about the Aries Lagna or Aries moon sign in the previous video. I will continue with the same. In a series of videos, I will explain all the 12 Lagnas to you. It will be definitely helpful for all of you for understanding the zodiac as well as the symmetry of the houses and the planetary lordships for each of the Lagna. Today, let us see how to delineate a Taurus ascendant or moon sign without planets. Okay, friends. Before that, please subscribe for the channel, share the videos, and also give your comments in the comment box for further improvisations. Today I have taken Taurus as the Lagna of the moon sign, and as already explained to you, we will delineate a blank horoscope without any planets and taking into account the lordship of each of the signs by planets. Have placed the planets in their respective own signs. Let us see how we can understand the Taurus Lagna or the moon sign. Taurus is owned by Venus and it is in between Mars and Mercury on either side. Mars is the lord of Aries and Mercury is the lord of Gemini. Both Mars and Mercury are friends to Venus, but Mars is a malefic planet and Mercury is a doubtful benefic. Venus as such is the lord of pleasure loving. Therefore, the people born in Taurus sign are pleasure loving people, and the sign is aspected by Mars from the Scorpio. Okay. Mercury, by virtue of its lordship of the second house and fifth house, it becomes the Yoga Karaka for Taurus Lagna. Mercury is a friend to Venus, and also Mars is a friend to Venus. Therefore, though these people are pleasure loving, sometimes because of the aspect of Mars, they may behave a little bit erratic. Overall, when we compare the Taurus Lagna, as the lord of Venus is the Lagna lord, and also Venus owns another sign, Libra. Comparatively, between these two signs, Taurus is better placed because the other sign from Taurus, Libra, happens to be the sixth house, and from Libra, if you see, Taurus becomes the eighth house. Sixth house is comparatively lesser in severity than the eighth house. Eighth house is worse. Therefore, Taurus people are lucky. Taurus people are comparatively, they will have less illnesses. I will explain you later how it is. Okay. Then, coming to the second house, Gemini, the lord is Mercury. It is placed between Moon and Venus. Both are friends to Mercury and aspected by Jupiter and Mars also. Because of the aspect of Jupiter, these people earn very well in their life. And the aspect of Mars also gives a little bit of quickness in their earning, as Mars is aspecting from the 8th house from the Gemini. There could be sudden gains. And coming to their speech, they are very good speakers. They are sweet speakers because Gemini is the sign ruled by Mercury, the Karaka for speech, and also aspected by Jupiter. They speak intelligently. Coming to the 3rd house, the Lord is Moon. It is in between Mercury and Sun, aspected by Saturn, Mars, Jupiter. Mars is aspecting from Aries, 4th aspect. Jupiter is aspecting from the Pisces, the 5th aspect, and Saturn, the 7th aspect. These people are very bold owing to the aspect of Mars, and they have generally siblings. They also will be in a good position, but owing to the aspect of Saturn on the Cancer side, there could be a general disagreement between the siblings and this person. Also, these people are very bold, and because of the aspect of Saturn, sometimes they appear sluggish. Okay. Then, coming to the 4th side, Leo, ruled by Sun, which is placed between Moon and Mercury. Sun and Moon are friends. So also Sun and Mercury. The aspect on this sign, Jupiter, Saturn. The aspect of Jupiter is very good. As Sun and Moon, the Karaka of Mars, mother, are friends. The mother of these people born in Taurus Lagna is very good. But owing to the aspect of Saturn, if Moon is badly placed in horoscope, the mother may have short life, or there could be some problem related to mother for these people. Coming to the education of these people, Sun and Mercury are friends, and Sun being the lord of the 4th house and Mercury being the lord of 5th house intelligence, they have fairly good education. And owing to the aspect of Saturn from Aquarius, their achievement in education will be after some failures. Also, the Lord of the Lagna, Venus, and Sun are also enemies to each other, are inimical to each other. Because of this reason also, sometimes they may have to face failures in education. Okay. And 4th house also indicates properties. This particular Lagna is very beneficial for owning properties, as the Lord of the 4th house and the Karaka of property, Mars, are friends to each other. But aspect of Saturn gives them a feeling that they buy old properties and get renovated. Okay. Coming to the fifth house, Virgo, the Lord is Mercury, placed between Sun and Venus, aspected by Jupiter. These people generally have good intelligence, good perceptive capabilities. Okay. Then they will be able to convert their intelligence into action because Jupiter is aspecting the sign. Though Jupiter and Mercury are not friends to each other, they are not even enemies also. Okay. Then coming to the sign Libra, the sixth house from the Taurus Lagna, placed between Mars and Mercury, aspected by Mars, Saturn. Here, we should note very interesting point here, as regards the sixth house for these people are concerned. It is placed between two malefics, Mars and Mercury. Mercury is also a doubtful benefit. So that makes this particular house weak. And owing to the aspect of Saturn and Mars, it makes it further weak. Though Mars is a friend, Saturn's aspect needs to be considered very serious. So this particular house is weakened. Therefore, the Rana Roga Shatru will come down drastically to this people. That means they are away from diseases and also deaths. That way, the aspect of malefics has become a positive factor for this. Coming to the seventh house, Scorpio, placed between two most benefic planets, Jupiter and Venus, aspected by Venus, Jupiter, and also Saturn. Seventh house is very favorably placed for these people. They marry well to a good spouse, but because of the aspect of Saturn, the spouse will not be of any help to these people. Okay. There could be possible disagreements between the couple. Coming to the eighth house, Sagittarius, owned by Jupiter. It is again placed between Saturn and Mars, two powerful malefics. Though they are friends to the Lagna Lord Venus, this house aspected by Mercury. Here, this house also gets weakened because of the placement between two powerful malefics. Therefore, friends, this has become a blessing in disguise for these people, and they live fairly long. Please note the intricacies of the points which I am explaining. You will not be getting into any of the books. Okay. Here I am trying to, when I look at a particular house, I am trying to relate the planet owning the sign, the planets which are placed either of the side, and also the Karaka. That point you must be noting by now. Coming to ninth house, Capricorn, Saturn is the Lord, placed between Saturn and Jupiter. Saturn is, of course, the sign lord itself, so we need not bother much. And Jupiter is a benefic planet. And this sign is aspected by Moon. A little bit of changeability is indicated when Moon is aspecting. That means the Bhagya of the person has variability. And also, the Sun, Karaka of Father, and the ninth house Lord Saturn are inimical to each other. There could be a general disagreement between the father and the native. The person will be able to enjoy the properties of the father, but he will not be in agreement with his father's ideologies. Coming to 10th house, Aquarius, Saturn is the Lord, placed between Jupiter and Saturn, aspected by Sun, and also Mars. These people generally get into government jobs, and also many of the surgeons have born in this particular lagna. As Sun is aspected. Sun is the natural karaka of medicine, doctors. Coming to the 11th house, Pisces, placed between Malefics, Mars and Saturn, aspected by Mercury and also Saturn from Capricorn. These people earn a lot, but the returns will not be as per the labor which they are putting in. Definitely they will go into a very high position in life, but the earning wise, it will not be commensurate with their hard work and labor. Coming to the 12th house, Mars, Aries, placed between two powerful benefics, Jupiter and Venus, aspected by Venus, Jupiter. These people enjoy a lot, spend the amount for good things, and also one point to be noted, as Saturn is aspecting, there could not be any discussion for charity in these people. So friends, this is how we need to understand the Taurus Lagna or Taurus moon sign, and in each of the videos coming forth, I'll be explaining about all the 12 Lagnas. Please go through all the videos very meticulously, because these points will help you in delineation of a horoscope to a fairly better judgment. Thank you very much. Please subscribe for the ASTROCHANDRIKA YouTube channel. Please leave your comments in the comment section, share the video, and also like the videos. Thank you very much.